Have a look. So just pushing it in. Can you see? It's going easily. So it's in the proper place. So place the BCS implants in the anterior without hassle. So this is a model, but still you can check the stability. It's well placed. Okay. So this is in the anterior mandible. I'll show one more in the posterior, that is to place the compressive. So we'll place one more here, the compressive implants here. So we'll have a drill somewhere here. So I have placed one conventional here. Beside that I am going to drill. It's about 10 mm. That is above the mandibular canal it should be, or you can angulate also towards the myloid ridge. And about the placement of the myloid ridge nerve bypass technique, I have already made the video. You can check my YouTube channel Venkatesh Murthy 09. So now I am going to place the compressive one. Have a look here.